Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Have you ever needed to make a complaint in English?
Do you know how to explain a problem politely and ask for help?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about making a complaint.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Now, let's begin.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hello. I'd like to make a complaint.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I bought this product yesterday, but it doesn't work.
I'm very sorry about that.
I followed the instructions, but nothing happened.
May I take a look?
Of course.
Thank you.
Can you help me fix it?
I'll do my best.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Can you tell me exactly what happened?
When I turned it on, the screen stayed black.
Did you charge it first?
Yes, I charged it for 3 hours.
I see.
I also tried another charger.
Thank you for explaining.
I was really disappointed.
I understand how you feel.
I just want a product that works properly.
That's completely understandable. We can replace the product for you.
Really?
Yes, of course.
That's great.
Or, if you prefer, we can give you a full refund.
I think I'd like a replacement.
No problem.
How long will it take?
Only a few minutes.
Wonderful.
Again, we're very sorry for the inconvenience.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Here is your replacement product.
Thank you very much.
Let's test it before you leave.
That's a good idea.
I'll turn it on now.
The screen is working.
Excellent.
Everything looks perfect.
Would you like to check the other features?
Yes, please.
The buttons are working properly.
Great.
The battery is fully charged.
I'm happy with it now.
I'm glad we could solve the problem.
Thank you for your excellent service.
You're very welcome. Was our service helpful today?
Yes, it was.
Thank you for your patience.
I appreciate your kindness.
We always try to help our customers.
I can see that.
Will you shop here again?
Yes, I will.
That's wonderful to hear.
Good customer service is very important.
I completely agree.
You listened carefully and solved my problem quickly.
Thank you for your kind words.
I'll recommend this store to my friends.
We really appreciate that. What did you learn today?
I learned many useful English expressions.
Can you remember some?
I'd like to make a complaint.
Excellent.
What's the problem?
Very good.
I'd like a replacement.
Perfect.
I'd like a refund.
Great.
Thank you for your help.
Wonderful.
I appreciate your service.
Excellent.
The problem has been solved.
Fantastic.
I feel more confident making a complaint in English now.
That's wonderful to hear.
Thank you for practicing with me.
You're always welcome.
Let's practice another conversation next time.
I'd love that.
See you soon.
See you. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for making a complaint politely and asking for help.
You also learned how to explain a problem, request a replacement or refund, and talk about good customer service.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.